Testing. Good afternoon, class. It's Mr. Wong here. So please take our focus. We are going to look at reported speech today. So please turn to page 86 of your book. Page 86 of your book. All right. Let's look at exercise 1 first. So look at the painting in the photo. Is it possible for a 3-year-old child to paint something like this? All right. So this is Marla Olmsted. Let's look at the picture. Let's look at a better one. Okay, so this is Marla. All right, this is Marla. She was 4 years old. And this is the painting. So what do you think? Do you think someone can paint this? And he or she is only 4. Okay, another picture. Okay, so she was 4 years old in 2004. So how old is she now? She must be 20 now. This is how she looks now. Okay, and another painting done by her. All right, let's go back. So first, read the text and find out. Okay, so they said she was a genius. Please highlight the word genius. Okay, it refers to someone with great ability. All right, so genius. So please read the text now. Pause the video and then read the text to find out whether she could paint these paintings. All right, so after reading the passage, what do you think? Was the painting real or fake? Yeah, I think no one knows. I think, yeah. Maybe her parents lied. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. But maybe her parents helped her, right? Yeah, but I think it was possible that she really painted those paintings, because if you look at those, yeah, they're not very complicated, right? They're not very complicated. Yeah. Okay, let's go back. So let's look at exercise 2 together. So who said what? Match the people from the story with what they said. Okay, so can you do these questions now? So write down who said what. Please pause the video and fill in the blanks now. Okay, let's check the answers. Number 2, a child can't produce these paintings. Said should be art critics, right? So what is a critic? So critic is someone whose job is to give their opinion about something. Okay, for example, a film critic, a book critic. So pay attention. Okay, critic is the person who gives opinion about something. And then 3, her father painted them. So this one should be said one critic or a critic. And then 4, we want to film your daughter next week, said a TV channel. And number 5, our daughter will be uncomfortable. So it should be Marla's parents, her parents. And in 6, I'm going to use a hidden camera, said the director, right? The TV director. And in number 7, we don't care who has done them, said the customers, right? Because they liked the paintings anyway. All right. And then let's look at exercise 3. So find the reported statements in the text for the direct statements in exercise 2. So we'll find out. So these are the statements in direct speech, right? We're going to look at the ones in reported speech. Let's underline them together. All right, I'll use pink. Okay, so in the first, let's see, in the second paragraph, he told her parents that their daughter was a genius. Okay, and then question 2, art critics pointed out that a child could not produce those paintings. So what have been changed? If you look at number 2 here. A child can't produce these paintings. So they have been changed to could not and those, right? So these are the things we have to change. Okay, and then question 3. One critic suggested that her father had painted them. So painted becomes had painted. And in question 4, a TV channel contacted Marla's parents and told them that they wanted to film their daughter the following week. So next week becomes the following week. And then let's see, question 5. Marla's parents said that their daughter would be uncomfortable in front of the cameras. Okay, would be. So will be becomes would be. All right. And then he added that he was going to use a hidden camera. So am going becomes was going. And then the last one, the customers replied that they didn't care who had done them. All right, so we don't care who has done them. So what things do we need to change when we convert direct speech into reported speech? What things do we need to change? Okay, so we look at this page first. Okay, now please turn to page 124 of your book. Page 124. We look at some notes first. All right, page 124. Okay, so we will underline certain points here. So we want to report what someone said. We can use direct or reported speech. So in direct speech, the speaker's words are not changed in any way, right? For example, your son draws very well. And we write this way. They said, comma, your son draws very well. Right, but in reported speech, we often report the speaker's words using verbs like add, claim, explain, point out, reply, say, suggest, tell, and the pronoun that. But the pronoun that can be omitted. All right, and the verb tell takes an object. So remember these. Yeah, you cannot say she told that. You have to say she told me that. Remember the pronoun after told. Or we can just use the word said. Okay, she said that, or she said she sold paintings. Okay, so we have to make the following changes in reported speech. Let's take a look. For example, the first thing is about tenses. Okay, so present simple becomes past simple. I paint pictures becomes Anne said that she painted pictures. All right, and present continuous, I am painting becomes was painting, easy, this one. But the next one, put a star here. So present perfect, have painted, becomes past perfect. Okay, present perfect, past perfect. And then past simple will also become past perfect. So I didn't paint. Okay, it becomes hadn't painted. Okay, and then past perfect, how about past perfect? Hadn't painted. Okay, it will remain as past perfect. Okay, so Anne said that she hadn't painted before. So please pay attention to these 3. All right, all of them will change to past perfect. All right, and the next one, easy, can or can't becomes could or couldn't. All right, and then will and won't becomes would or wouldn't. And am is going to, for example, I'm going to paint becomes she was going to paint. Okay, so pay attention to tenses. And then let's look at these notes. So time expressions and words. For example, now will become at that time or then. Today, that day. Yesterday, the day before. Or what can it be? The previous day. All right. And then 2 hours ago. So we have to change ago, okay, to earlier or before. So be careful with this. Right, and then tomorrow becomes the following day or the next day. And then here becomes there. All right. And then for pronouns, we have to change them this way. For example, these becomes that. These becomes those. I, we, you have to remember to change them. I to he or she or they. And then me to him or her. Us to them. And then my to his or her. Our to their. Okay, so remember to change the pronouns as well. Right, so we'll do 2 exercises now. So please look at exercise 1, report the statements. So please take out your GE book, start a new page, and then write these sentences down in your GE book. All right, and then, so remember the things that you need to change. All right, tenses, and then time expressions and words referring to places, and then pronouns. All right, and now please do exercise 1 and exercise 2 in your GE book, and then we'll check the answers after you're finished. All right, please pause the video now. All right, let's look at the answers together. Okay, so for exercise 1, please check your answers. Take a red pen, put down a tick if you're correct, put down a cross, and write down the correct answer if you're wrong. Okay, so number 1, Susan said she had never, so I underline this one, had never heard of that artist. Okay, so this becomes that. Number 2, Helen told her that, or you can omit that, she was meeting and the following day. Okay, so tomorrow becomes the following day. And number 3, Olga said that someone had painted, so painted becomes had painted some graffiti in her street. My becomes her. Okay, and then the day before. Yesterday becomes the day before. And number 4, Paul told me that he could sell me some of his pictures. And then 5, George said that his wife, so my becomes his, and then doesn't becomes didn't. And then 6, the guard said that I couldn't take photos there. So remember, here will become there. All right, and you becomes I. All right. Okay, how about exercise 2? Number 1, John claimed that he was the most talented painter in the UK. So we use the verb claimed. And then number 2, Amanda said she liked opera, and she added, because this is the second point, right? So she liked modern art too. So like becomes liked here, both of them. And then 3, John explained that they had moved there in 2010. And then 4, Amanda replied that her parents would never let her go. So will becomes would. Let her go. So okay. To the club. And then 5, John pointed out that someone had made a mistake. Okay, any questions? If you have any questions, please ask me in our WhatsApp group, or on eClass, or in Google Classroom. Okay, so let's go back to focus. Let's see. Let's look at the page again. Okay, let's go back to page 86. Okay, so we'll fill in the blanks very quickly. Please look at the box on the left-hand side. Let's see, wait. All right. So how about, okay, so present simple becomes past simple, and then present continuous becomes past continuous. So present perfect becomes past perfect, right? And then past simple becomes past perfect, and past perfect will become past perfect. Okay, and then can or can't, so could or couldn't, will or won't, would or wouldn't. And then is and are going to becomes was or were going to. All right, and remember, after tell we have to put an object there, put a pronoun here. So she told me I was wrong. And after say, we don't have to put the pronoun. Okay, just say she said that, or she said I was wrong. And other reporting verbs are these verbs. Okay, so let's look at your homework for today or this weekend. So please finish this. Homework today is 13th of March. Okay, so please choose the correct verb and then change them. Okay, you have to do exercise 5 as well. You have to report the statements. So please finish it. Okay, and then please do exercise 6 as well in your GE book. All right, so you have to write these sentences down in your GE book, and we will check the answers next time. All right, okay, see you in the next video. Have a nice weekend. See you next time. Bye bye.